Choose insulation for new home construction that resists rodents and insects to protect building performance and indoor health. For new construction, prioritize closed-cell spray foam, mineral wool, or borate-treated cellulose because each offers specific pest resistance and performance benefits. Closed-cell spray foam forms a rigid air and moisture barrier that blocks rodent entry and deters insects while improving structural rigidity. Install it in continuous runs and pay attention to manufacturer cure times and proper ventilation during application. Mineral wool is inorganic and naturally unattractive to pests while providing excellent fire resistance and sound control. Fit it tightly without compressing fibers and use mechanical fasteners or friction fit techniques to remove voids where pests could nest. Cellulose treated with borates resists both insects and rodents when kept dry. Apply at recommended densities and avoid placing loose untreated cellulose in exposed crawl spaces where moisture and access increase risk. Always seal gaps and penetrations with appropriate sealants or backing materials, because even the best insulation fails if pests can reach cavities from outside. Use sheet metal or cementitious closures around surface penetrations and install foam backer rod plus sealant for smaller gaps. Add ventilation baffles at eaves and soffits so bats, birds, and rodents cannot create entry tunnels above insulation while preserving airflow. Fasten baffles to framing and check them during roof and attic inspections. 3 common mistakes are using loose untreated cellulose in crawl spaces, leaving gaps and unsealed penetrations, and assuming fiberglass bats deter pests. Leaving loose untreated cellulose in crawl spaces invites both moisture and nesting. Choose treated cellulose or an alternative and keep insulation off the ground with a moisture barrier. Unsealed gaps around plumbing, wiring, and ducts create highways for pests and conditioned air loss. Inspect the envelope and use durable sealants, rigid barriers, and metal mesh at larger openings. Installing fiberglass bats without proper fit and without sealing around their edges lets rodents nest behind them, and insects exploit voids. Instead, compress minimally, cut to fit around obstructions, and back with a sealed air barrier where possible. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for insulation and pest-resilient building work. We also help contractors find job opportunities and join our discussion community where we share real-world experiences, product trade-offs, and installation tips.